This is the funniest thing in the world. And what makes it funny is it really, really happened.
That's what makes it funny.
Every word that I'm saying is the truth.
I know it.
I was dating a doctor, Dr. Howlett. He and his father had a medical clinic in Golden.
Yeah?
And I lived in Denver. So we went together quite a while. And we got engaged. Well, his mama died, and his dad ordered him a black lab. We went pheasant hunting all the time, all of us. And he ordered this one from Belgium. It was supposed to be well trained and real expensive, $6,000. It cost him to get it here, trained and everything. So he came home. We took him out to dinner that night. And we came home and had a cup of coffee, and he said to Ida, I gotta go on a trip. Not the boyfriend, the father. He said, I gotta go to a meeting in Chicago. And he said, it's kind of important. He said, will you make sure that knothead son of mine feeds my dog and takes care of the dog, because it's pretty special. And he had just gotten it. I said, sure. Well, he said, I'd really appreciate it if you... Sure. So, he had a new run for this dog and everything. It was really a nice dog. Hunting dog. So, his dad had a 98 Oldsmobile. This was about 58. And it was a long one. It was a topless thing, and it was really a nice car. Well, anyway, we're cleaning up my yard, and then we're going to go clean up his yard, and then we're going to go clean up the dog's yard. And so we had this all planned out. We took the father to the airport and waved him off, and the last thing he said, take care of the dog. And I said, I promise I will. I promise I will. So we were driving around with the dog in the car with the top down. And all of a sudden he said, damn it, let's go pheasant hunting. It's a weekend. We go down to, we had a real good place to go pheasant hunting in Joe's, Colorado. You ever hear of Joe's? It's on Highway 36, going to St. Joe, Missouri. And just a small town. But, so, anyway, he said, you go fix us some sandwiches, and I'll get the ice cube from my dad's and bring it to you, and get the dog food and everything.
Yeah.
And so we go get everything, stick it in the car, and we go get the dog out of the cage, but he acted like he wanted to go to the bathroom. So Louis said, well, we'll take him out here and let him go to the bathroom on the way to town. You turn there at Byers.
Yep.
To go to Joe's.
Yep.
Well, anyway, we got the Byers, and the dog wanted to go out desperately. So we let him out, but he tried and tried and tried to go to the bathroom, but he couldn't go. And Louis said, oh, damn. My dad would have to have a constipated dog. So he said, I'm going to give him, see what I got in my basket, my box, and a suitcase. So he goes through everything, and he found some X-Lax, and he gave him the dog a couple of X-Lax. Well, nothing happened. The dog still wanted to go, but he couldn't. So we stopped every mile or so and let the damn dog out to go to the bathroom, but he couldn't go. So we get down to Joe's, and they still hadn't gone to the bathroom. Well, he found some milk magnesia. So he gives this dog some milk of magnesia, and still didn't go. Well, he said, what the hell am I going to do, Ida? I said, well, I don't know, but we got to do something. This dog, misery. He said, let me see what by then we had pulled in the ranch where we was going to go hunting, and the guy saw it was he and I, and his son came out and said, go on out in the field. He said, I saw some out there eating this morning. And so we go drive on out a little ways and park the car, and he got to looking in his suitcase, and he said, well, the only damn thing I got in here is something to give the dog an enema. And he said, I think we're going to have to do it. So, I never told you this, did I?
No, I don't know this story.
I didn't think. And so, he goes through his stuff, and he said, will you hold the bag for me? It takes two of us. One of us will have to hold the dog, and I'll better do that. So I'm out get out of the car, and I'm holding the bag up, and here comes a cowboy on a horse. And he trotted up by there, and he isn't some old man, one of the neighbors, and he said, what you doing? I said, I'm giving the dog an enema. He said, oh, that's what I thought. And just rode on by. Well, we started laughing. We laughed so hard that we almost dirtied our pants. It was so funny. We're standing out there giving the dog an enema. And
oh, God.
the way he said it, well, that's what I thought, and just rode on. He was a real old cowboy.
Oh, my God.
We started laughing.
Oh.
We laughed and we laughed and we laughed. And
did you ever get the job?
He said, let's give him 15 minutes here. And well, we might have to do this again.
Oh,
So
brother.
we walked the dog a little bit, and nothing happened.
Oh my gosh.
Well, we got our guns out and got the shells out and everything, and dog wanted out. Car. So we let him out. Well, we weren't paying any attention to the dog because we were getting our guns ready. And so I looked up, and this dog is going to the bathroom. Way over there. It's just coming out like a big fountain.
Like a fire hose.
And it's, oh my God. I never saw anybody crap so much in my life. That dog crapped, and he crapped, and he crapped, and he crapped, and he crapped.
Oh, Lordy.
We laughed so hard.
The dog being constipated.
Well, the damn afternoon we ate our sandwiches and we can't put him in the car now because he crapped all over everything outside. So we left him out in the field. And he ran around some, and every time we looked out there, there's and then we got to laughing again. He said, "My dad is gonna kill both of us." And it was hilarious. It was hilarious. And that poor dog finally slowed down, and it was about 4 o'clock, and we said, "The hell with it, we're both wore out." And then we got to talking about that old cowboy. He was a real old guy.
What are you doing?
When I went back through, I saw Larry, and I asked him.
That's what I thought.
I
Looked like it.
He said, "That's what I thought." And he just kept riding on. He didn't even stop. Just like, anybody can give a dog an enema.
Every day.
I tell you, that was one of my funniest stories. I just thought that was hilarious.
Oh, Lord.
You got another story I want you to tell, John.
Oh.
And then we're going to try to